In today's video, you will learn how to create a Duolingo account step by step. You can use either your phone or a computer, depending on what's more convenient for you. Once you're on the Duolingo platform, you'll notice a few different options on the screen. Instead of selecting the Get Started button, choose the option that says I already have an account. Even if you are completely new to Duolingo, this will still lead you to the sign up page. After that, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the sign up option. Select it to begin creating your profile. The setup process is very simple and only takes a few moments. First, enter your age. You may also see a field for your name, which is optional, so you can either fill it in or skip it. Then type in your email address and create a secure password for your account. Once all the required information is entered, continue by selecting Create Account. If you want a faster way to sign up, Duolingo also gives you the option to continue using a Facebook account. This can save time because some details are filled in automatically. Right after your account is created, Duolingo will begin setting up your learning experience. You'll be asked which language you would like to learn. For example, you might choose Spanish. After selecting a language, continue through the setup prompts. Duolingo may ask, "Why are you learning this language?" You may choose just for fun. Then it will ask you, "How much do you know about the language?" You may press continue after you learn what you can achieve using Duolingo. You'll also be asked how much time you want to spend learning each day. A short daily goal like 5 minutes is a good starting point if you're just getting familiar with the app. After that, continue through the remaining setup screens and choose to start from scratch if you are completely new to the language. Once everything is ready, Duolingo will begin your first lesson. You'll follow simple prompts and answer basic questions as part of the introduction. After completing the lesson, continue through the final screens until you reach the main dashboard. To view your account details, just go to Profile. There you will see your statistics and achievements. That's it. Your Duolingo account is now fully created and ready to use.